In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon wishlist. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to amazon.com. Once the homepage loads, click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address, click Continue, then type in your password and click Sign In. After signing in, hover over the Hello Sign In button at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Create a List. A small box will appear asking you to name your list. Type a name that fits your purpose, then click Create. Now, click the More icon next to your new list and choose Manage List. Here, you can change settings like privacy. Set it to public if you plan to share it with others. Make sure your name is listed as a recipient. You can also add a short description or note if you'd like. If you want to keep surprises hidden, check the box that says Don't spoil my surprises. When you're done, click Save Changes. Next, it's time to add items to your list. Go to the Amazon search bar and look for something you'd like to add. When you find the item, open its product page, click the Add to List dropdown and choose your new wish list. To share your list, click View Your List. Then click the Share icon. You can set it to View Only, copy the link, and share it with friends or family. And that's it. You've successfully created your Amazon wish list. It's a great way to keep track of what you want and make gift giving a lot easier.